Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make a translator in Skype application. So how to make a translator in Skype application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, here we enter the Skype application on our computer or laptop. Here I will give you the steps to activate and use it. To activate the translator, here we need to go to the Settings menu. Tap on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Please tap it. And the profile menu will appear. Scroll down and select Settings. Here in the Settings menu, there are many menu options that we can use in Skype. We enter the menu that can activate the translator. Enter the Privacy menu. Well, there are many options here. We enable Translate and Automatic Language Detection by tapping Disable and change it to Enable. Well, here has successfully activated the Translate. The next here we can set the language of the translate that we want. Tap on the profile icon that is on the top left of the screen. Please tap. And the profile menu will appear. Down and select Settings. Here in the Settings menu, enter the General menu. Well, here there are many menu options. Scroll to the bottom. To find the Translate setting, tap Translate setting. Well, here you have entered the Translate setting. Tap on the default spoken section to change the language we want. Here there are many languages, and tap the language that you will translate. Next, tap on the Translate Voice section. Change it to Voice 2. After all is done, we can use the translator by entering the Chat menu and select the chat that will be Let's Try the Translator. Well, here there is someone who chats with me in a language that I don't understand. We can use the translator feature. The method is to right tap on the text that we will translate. There are many options here. Tap the translate. Well, we wait. Well, here we have successfully translated. So that's it. Tutorial how to make a translator in Skype application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.